Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Audrey and today we're using the brand new 1-year anniversary collection by Holo Taco. I started seeing hints of this collection all over social media and even in my inbox from Holo Taco, and so I'm really excited to use it today. If you're not new to my channel, you might have noticed that the last video I uploaded was a review of the Holo Taco Rainbow Collection. One of the Rainbow Collection polishes I received, which was Blue Freezy, came in a box with a gold logo, and I couldn't really figure out why. But then I started seeing people speculating about it on Twitter, and I discovered that maybe it was a hint about the next collection. The box arrived a couple hours ago, and it has been killing me to not just dig right in and start using it, but we're gonna do that together now. Here we have the collection box. It is so gorgeous and looks super cool and kind of mesmerizing. Inside the box we have the 3 limited edition polishes. We have gold flaky Holo Taco, blue flaky Holo Taco, and purple flaky Holo Taco. Also, the saying for this collection is flake it till you make it, which I think is super cute. Now on my nails today, as you can see, I have black on one hand and white on the other hand. So I'm going to be testing out these top coats on both hands and on both colors to see what they look like on each color. I'm gonna try to do a little bit more kind of nail art on my left hand, and then I'm gonna try and do something a little bit more simple on my right hand. Today I'm gonna try to do a little bit of a tutorial as well as a first impressions / review, so you'll see how I do all of my nail art if you want to try it yourself, and you'll also know how I feel about each of the nail polishes. I am super excited to get into these polishes, so without further ado, let's go paint my nails. Alright, here I am on a voiceover. We have our 3 Holo Tacos. We have the purple one, and the blue one, and the gold one, which I'm really excited about. Of course, we have the beautiful gold logo boxes, and here's the 3 polishes together. The purple one is really pretty, and it kind of reminds me of magenta jelly from the Rainbow Collection, so I'm really excited to layer those together. Starting off with a black base, I'm trying to recreate the ombre sort of gradient glitter nails that Simply Nailogical did with this collection. So I'm concentrating most of the glitter towards the bottom of the nail and slowly pulling it up. Obviously this coat isn't going to be perfect, and it's not going to be the nail art itself because I'm going to sponge on some more glitter later. I'm doing the same thing with the blue Holo Taco on my index finger. Honestly, this nail art is really easy for beginners, and so if you have the right materials for it, I definitely recommend it. Moving on to the middle finger, I'm going to do the same exact thing, but with the gold flaky Holo Taco, which I think is really beautiful, and it really pops over the black, so I was really impressed with this one. As I moved on with the first coat, I wasn't as concerned about concentrating it at the bottom of the nail. I was kind of just trying to put an even coat to give the glitter something to stick to later on. Obviously you can do this in any order with the colors. I just chose this. This wasn't exactly the same as Simply Nailogical's, but it was one that I liked. I think even just one coat of these Holo Tacos looks really gorgeous over black, and I'd probably do this if I didn't have a lot of time to do my nails. Of course, now we'll let them dry a little bit. To make this nail art easier, I'm using a latex-free makeup sponge. This will soak up the jelly of the nail polish and leave all the glitters behind, and it won't take long to dry. Honestly, this is really easy to do. All you have to do is apply it to the sponge and give it a second to soak in, and then you just dab it on the nail. It's really simple. If you had enough time, you could keep applying more glitter nail polish to the sponge and keep applying it over and over again, and you could build up to full opacity and have really nice full glitter nails. It would be really pretty. As you can see, I'm just repeating this step over and over again with the respective color on each nail, and yeah, super simple and beginner friendly. Once these were dry, I decided to add one more coat of the flaky Holo Taco over the sponged on glitter. I thought it might make it a little bit more dispersed and blend a little bit better. I don't know if this was a great idea, but it ended up looking okay in the end, I guess, but I don't know, you can pick if you want to do it or not. Now I'm just applying my gel top coat, gives it a really nice seal and really nice shine as well. It makes it last a lot longer and prevents chipping, and you'll also see me wrapping the tip of my nail with the top coat, which helps it stay on longer and it won't go anywhere. It will definitely not chip if you do that. This is definitely my favorite step when I'm doing my nails because it brings the holo to life, and I love having holo nails. And it makes everything just really shiny, and it's super satisfying as well because it just makes everything super glossy and smooth, and I just love it. I don't know, it looks really nice. Now to make sure that our nails don't go anywhere, we're going to cure these in a gel lamp for 60 seconds. Now that they're all cured, the holo looks beautiful and my nails are really smooth, and the flakies are laying really flat on the nail, which I really love, so these were really great and I love these nails. I recorded this iPhone flash video a couple days later, so all the glitter was off my skin pretty much, and they look really, really nice, especially with the flash. The holo looks stunning, and I was really impressed with this collection, and they look great over black nail polish, so I'll definitely be doing that again. For science sake, I'm going to apply this over white as well. I was super curious how these would turn out over white, so I decided to try it. Unfortunately, I suffered a casualty while I was trying to do up a button on my pants, so we'll just cover that with glitter, I guess. I ended up doing the exact same color pattern on both my right and left hand. I thought it might be a little bit more cohesive, even though these nails are pretty much not even in the same universe anymore. So I did the same color pattern, and I thought it turned out pretty well. Because of how much more pastel these colors look over white, it almost reminded me of a Hatchimal egg, if anyone remembers those. Just because the colors and kind of the freckled pattern that I was kind of getting from the holo, and I thought it was pretty cool actually. As you can see with one coat, it is really dispersed and not very much glitter, so I decided to add another coat once these were all dry. I'm always impressed with how quick drying Holo Taco's formulas are. Once I was finished painting my pinky nail, the thumbnail was already dry, so I was already prepared to move on and start painting that one again. I would definitely recommend doing 2 coats of these Holo Tacos over a lighter base. Obviously you can pick any base color of your choice, but I think over a lighter color it kind of pops a little bit more with 2 coats, but you can pick, maybe you like it better with 1 coat, I don't know. Watching this back, I'm definitely cringing at how it looks for me to apply these on my right hand. I was using my left hand obviously to paint them, and I am right-handed, so this was very uncomfortable. So here is what I'm working with after 2 coats. Now, of course, to seal everything in, I'm using my gel top coat. Unfortunately, everything got kind of washed out by my light while I was filming this part, but you get the picture. It was exactly the same as applying it over the black. I do like how pastel these holos look over the white. I do think I maybe prefer them over black a little bit more and probably wouldn't do this over a lighter base. Let me know down in the comments below whether you would do this over a darker base or a lighter base. I like both, but I think I like the darker base more, but I'd love to hear what you guys think. And of course, as soon as we're done applying our top coat, we're gonna cure it in the lamp for 60 seconds. Here we have the nails all done after they're cured, and unfortunately there was some nail polish in my cuticles, but I was applying it with my left hand, so I wasn't surprised. Here is my iPhone flash video from a couple days later. Unfortunately, I had some chips because I was trying to remove a piece of tape, and unfortunately I chipped it a little bit, which I felt kind of bad about, but I think otherwise this nail art turned out pretty well, and I would recommend it for beginners for sure. Now, of course, for science, I had to find out what all of these would look like if I layered them together. So I started with blue, and then I put a layer of gold, and you can see me here applying the purple. And I thought it looked pretty cool. I didn't feel like it looked much different, but it was definitely very rainbowy. So I might actually try this, applying it over black. I don't know if I'd apply it over white, but I thought it looked kind of cool. I'm back. My nails are painted and looking as hollow and stunning as ever. So here's my final verdict. These polishes are so beautiful on. I'm really impressed by how even they come out and how flat they lay on the nail. Some of the flake particles in the original top coat were more coils than just flakes, so some people found that they would lay a little bit uneven on the nails. These flakes, on the other hand, lay down really flat on the nail and make it really easy to add a top coat after and make your nails really smooth and shiny. I know for sure that I will be reaching for these top coats a lot. I thought they look absolutely stunning on the nail, especially the gold one is really unique and interesting. The blue Holo Taco is such an incredible, unique color for her brand. Usually the blue shades that she comes out with are a little bit more deep and rich, and this one was almost more of a pastel sky color, and I love it. I really love the purple flaky Holo Taco. It almost pulls a little bit more magenta than purple to me. With all of the ways that I tested these top coats today, they look stunning. You can wear them by themselves, you can sponge them on, you can layer them, and they look really, really pretty. The Holo Taco social media pages are constantly posting new nail art ideas, so if you're looking for something new to try, you can always check them. So the final verdict, I would definitely recommend this collection. I thought it was super stunning and beautiful, and I will definitely be using it all the time. I think a lot of these holos would look really stunning if I layered them over the previous rainbow collection, so I'm definitely going to try that, and I'll post some pictures of my nails on Twitter. I'll leave my social media all down in the description. If you liked this video today, please make sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more beauty and style related content, and also hit the bell so you don't miss anything. If there's any videos you want to see from me, make sure to leave them down in the comments below. I love reading through your comments, so please tell me what you want to see, and I will definitely put it on the list. If you want to check me out on social media, all of my links will be down in the description below, so make sure to go check them out if you'd like to see more content from me. That's going to be all for today's video. Thank you all so much for watching. I love you so much, and stay creative. Bye!